to add bio on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can add bio to your Instagram account. Begin by opening the Instagram application on your mobile device. Once on the home page, click on your profile icon located below the screen. In your profile, you will find two options. Click on Edit Profile to access the interface where you can make changes to your profile information. Within the Edit Profile section, locate the bio option. It is positioned right below your username. Click on it to start adding or editing your bio. Now write your bio in the space provided. Instagram allows up to 150 characters for your bio, so make it concise and engaging. After entering your bio, click on the check mark at the top right corner of the screen to save your changes. This confirms the addition of a new bio. Double check your bio to ensure it reflects what you want to convey. You have successfully added a bio to your Instagram account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.